Hello everyone and welcome back to another amazing episode. So on today's video I just want to take you through my closet organization. I just want to reorganize everything because it's been so long since I did that and it looks really bad. So I really want to take that time to just reorganize everything and just get everything into shape, into place, into I just want everything to look neat. And yeah, that is why I just thought to start this video today. So I'm just gonna show you. I'll start by showing you how the closet looks, and I'll show you how the other storage looks. So I'm just going to reorganize everything with you guys. So this is how it looks. I hope you can see. Yeah, I've taken out some of the clothes because I just want to reorganize everything. This is how it looks. So I just want to reorganize everything. So that is how. So that is how they look. This is how it's looking. It's so messy. So messy. I hope you can see it. Yeah. This is the hip that I've taken from there. This is the hip that was there that I need to reorganize, and this is what I had already started. I had already started organizing in the morning, so I just thought let me make this a video. So yeah, so this is what I've taken out. This is what I've already started organizing because I have to refold them again before I can put them back. So and there's another hip down there. That one is just the clothes that had been washed, and I've not organized them yet. So I'm just going to start with this ones first. Those things you're seeing me pile at the back, those are the beddings and the towels. Those ones I don't put them in the drawers.
I know you don't want to hear what I have to say, but it's slipping right through our fingers, 2 seconds away. We said we're sorry and made up the other day. How many times we'll end up right back in the same? I've been thinking about giving you the rest of me. I know you're thinking about giving me the rest of you.
Those are just socks. I like to put them. I also put socks in a different drawer. So that is what you see me doing there. I'm trying to put them to sort out the ones that are in pairs and put them in that drawer. So the ones that so the ones that are not in pairs, maybe I just tie them with a wrap, then put them separate, so that when I get the other socks, so it's a pair, then I can put them in the drawers. So that way I know what I have ready and what is not ready, because I cannot go wearing socks that are not in pairs.
Wildfire is out of control. I need you to get me higher, 'cause I'm feeling the low. Let's take it back to the golden days from before.
Sorry, here my lights went off, and yeah, it keeps going off and on. I don't know why, but my light.
You the best of me. I know you've been thinking about giving me the best of you.
So don't let go, oh no, hold me close, nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't let go, oh no, hold me close.
So actually guys, this organization involved a lot of moving up and down here and there, because I needed to fold, put them back, put them in the drawers, fold, sort, put them in the drawers, fold, sort, put them. So it really involved a lot of movement, guys. And by the time I was getting to day 4 or 5 of this organization, I was really tired and I couldn't keep up. So yeah, though I thank God I was almost finished by day 5. By day 5 I was finished.
I know you don't want to hear what I have to say, but it's slipping right through our fingers, 2 seconds away. We said we're sorry and made up the other day. Don't know how many times we'll end up right back in the same. I've been thinking about giving you the rest of me. I know you're thinking about giving me the rest of you.
So don't let go, oh no, no, no. Hold me close, nah, 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 nah. If you let go of me now, don't blame it on me, don't blame it on. Don't let go, oh no,
So
no,
guys,
no.
after being so intentional about the cleaning, about the organization, I'm happy to share with you the results. I'm also happy with the results. After putting in so many days of my week, I'm finally happy with the results, and I'm just here to show you. I finally want to show you the results because I'm sure you'll also love it. So yeah, also this is something you can consider doing to your house, in your house, because at times we are so busy that we forget we exist. We forget organizing is part of us, and it's part of us, and we can do it. So yeah, let me take you around, let me show you the outcome, and because I'm also happy, I'm a happy babe, I'm happy with the outcome, and I also want to share with you guys. So enjoy the outcome. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe as always, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.